Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to disable all message notification in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now in the search bar, you have to search for Advanced. Here it is. You have to press on this. Now click on Notification. If you want to disable all of your message notification, you just have to turn off this button. That's it. So this is how to disable all message notifications in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.